Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You will begin by creating a reliable backup and identifying the exact target path. First, backup %appdata %backslash. Minecraft to an external drive or folder. Do not skip this. Next, close the Minecraft launcher and stop any Java or Minecraft processes in Task Manager. Once done, pick the new folder path and confirm you have full permissions there. Make sure there's enough space, otherwise, clean up unnecessary worlds or resource packs before proceeding to the move step. Now transfer the entire Minecraft folder to your chosen location, preserving all files and hidden folders. After the copy, open an elevated command prompt as administrator. Then create a junction link from the original %appdata %backslash Minecraft to the new folder using mclink/j %appdata %backslash Minecraft C /path / to /new / Minecraft. This makes Windows redirect reads and writes seamlessly. Once the junction is created, check that the link exists and that file sizes look right. If everything matches, you're ready to launch Minecraft. Finally, start the Minecraft launcher and verify your profiles, worlds, mods, and settings loaded as expected. If something fails, close Minecraft and restore your backup to prevent data loss. Make sure the junction was created with the exact original and new paths and that it was run as administrator. Permission mismatches are the most common culprit. If the launcher shows missing files, delete corrupted profile entries or recreate the junction after deleting the old link. Once fixed, relaunch to confirm full functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.